Up. 3 more. Exhale. Itaas ang kamay. Inhale. Exhale. Taas ang kamay. Last one. Exhale. Taas ang kamay. Okay. Bring the hands back. Pull the hands. Nice. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Pa lang. Okay, release. Downward dog. Thanks and have a good day. Shake those hands. O sige, para maintindihan, tatapusin natin yung 3 different axes. So the sagittal axis or the sagittal plane divides the body into what? Two. Right and left. So yung plane na yun, yan. Yan. Right and left, sagittal. Transverse plane, hatiin ang katawan into 2. Half pa rin. Front and back. Frontal plane, hatiin ang katawan. Up and down. So pag sagittal plane, action is flexion, extension. Pag transverse, anong action? Come on. Nice. Lateral flexion or side bending. O pag coronal, Mr. Rafael.
Adduction and abduction.
No. It's twist. Rotation. Okay. Abduction is transverse plane. Okay? So we have pag one class kasi, tinuturo yun. Pag marami yan, okay. Elbows. Ready? Left. Flex. Move. Exhale. Strong wrist. Strong deltoid. Move. Nice. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly lang join. Exhale. Take your time. Okay, stop. I have to correct it. Stop. You are already into the movement, into the action. But what happens? Most of you, if not all, are using the momentum of the hips of the puwet. Diba? Anong sinabi ko kanina? Anong muscle ang lower natin? Guys, the deltoid. Is the deltoid same with the hips? Ganito kasi ginagawa sa iba eh. Ito ang puwetsa para bababa. So you have to control. Sasayin ko kasi siya. Control. Para ito kami magtatrabaho. Hindi natin gagamitin yung momentum dito. Why? Kasi mabigat ito eh. So the moment yung atras, hindi natin talaga ito bababa. Okay? So synergistic. Control. So lahat na plane ginagawa yung dalawa. Yes. Control. So, gumagana din ang triceps, going down, gumagana ang biceps. Okay. So, gamitin yung heads up. Ready? Alright, na yung triceps. Heads up. Come on. Ready? Control joy. Okay. Initiate the movement by bending the elbow in the hips. Start with the elbow. Oh, stop. Listen to me, John. Initiate the movement by bending the elbow. Huwag pangunahan yung hips ang aangat. Start sa elbow, Joy. Start sa elbow. Elbow muna. Yan. Move. Exhale. Down. Up. Okay. Initiate movement sa elbow. Exhale. Elbow ang gagalaw. Aangas lang ang hips. Inhale na siya. up. Can you feel it in your core? Knees down. Knees up. Knees down. Okay, stop. Lapit yung knees sa arms. Round your back. Lapit pa yung knees sa arms. Lapit pa yung knees sa arms. Control that slowly. Huwag ibaba ang head. Knees up, round your back. Mas mahirap. Ayan, down. Okay, up. Down. Last one. Up. Down. Okay, this time, engage more. Knees, nakalikit na sa arms. Nakalikit mo na siya. Nakalikit lang. Ready. Knees up, slide all the way to the armpits. Down. Slide the arms all the way to the armpits. Down. Slide the arm all the way to the armpits. Lean forward and lift your feet. Yeah. There's so many ways to kill cat. Doing our, what do you call this pose? Baby roll. 1. See? There's 1,000 ways to kill a cat. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ikaw, mas madali na lang yan, ha? Okay, release. Diba? So that's another entry to that pose. We're ready to combine everything. Black. Okay. 10. 1, 6, 9, 8, 7. Joyce, wait. 6. Minute breaks. Breaks from back. 5, 4, 3. Tingin sa akin, sa harap. Measure. Bawak. Okay, adjust ang elbows. The palms or the hands should wrap around the biceps. Sige pa, bilit. You're too far. Alright. Okay, interlace the fingers na. Yung pinaka-smallest finger, yung nasa pababa, takitin. It's either the left or the right, depende pang interlace. Kung ano yun nasa baba, takitin. Okay? And then, yan. Yan. Okay, sige na. Head down. Head down. Head down. Thumbs are up. Thumbs are up. Thumbs are up. Thumbs are up. Head down. Press your thumb to the face or the opposite one to the skull. Good job. Lakad lang tayo. Lakad forward. Huwag mo na yung different legs. Just lakad. 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 Okay. Tiptoe lang. Tiptoe. 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 Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Tiptoe ka lang. Lakad lang. Good job. Good job. And 10. Stay there. 9, 8, 7, 6. Tiptoe everybody. 5, 4, 3. One leg up. Other leg up. Careful, Jesse. 10. Nice middle. 9 and 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3. Sige, release. 2. Sagawa. Release. Dandan. Good job. Nice. Also, balik. Dapat pa, sa karang may bakit ko. Ayun pa.
Dapat sa unang ginagawa.
Oo. Come on, ulitin nyo. Ulit, come on. Kayo na lang. 9. Rest and share. 8. 7. Good job. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Okay. Ready. Pwede ko makalimutan. Okay, sige. Elbow in. Andito ko. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa tripod, no? leg low, one leg up, one leg up. Dahan-dahan. Other leg up. Okay. The wet, flex. Squeeze the legs, raise it. So make sure, keep it up for 10.
Baba na.
8, 7, 6,
Nalagay ko sa practice.
5, 4, 3. Okay. Good. Para mas easy mo. Okay, so let's combine deltoids, neck, glutes, to the head. Okay, diba? Alright, up. Okay, so, okay, back. Up. This is extension, this is flexion. Nice, all the planes. 8, 7. Sajida. Yes. Good. 8. Hug this in. Transfers. 7. Careful, Jesse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ready. Mag-play ka.
Kabila.
Ay!
Kabila ka.
Kabi. Ay, gusto pa ni Joy, kabila.
Kabila, hindi ka tayo sir. Baka ganyan kami kung
Yes.
nakasabi.
Yung isang tama. Sige. Doon muna yung deltoid. Listen. Deltoid muna tayo. Deltoid. All fours.
All fours.
Okay. Left leg up. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Right arm up. Elbow down. Elbow down. Okay. Okay, atas. Yeah, elbow in. Apply all the planes. Ready. Yes. Let this one. Let this one. Nice. 1, nice, yes. 2, 3, good, Jesse. 4, elbow in, Jesse, elbow in. Transverse plane. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly release. Good job. Wait, go. Up. Alright. Flexion, extension. Nice.
CS ka pala, no? Bikini ka.
Balik mo na. Cow pose, ganang oras. God pose. Ikaw lang. Cow pose. Alright. Cow. Up. Forward ng konti ang kamay. Articulating system. Focus. Round. Last. Elbows down.